To customize lock screen on a Samsung S25, start by opening settings. Right now you will have to navigate into wallpaper and style and tap on a lock screen. As you can see right now, let's focus from the bottom. So right here we can actually adjust some shortcuts. You can also remove them by selecting no app. When you go right here, you can actually add some widgets into the lock screen, but also you can remove them if you have some default one. There we go. By tapping right here, you can change a lock screen clock, so you can make it bigger, smaller. You can change font, you can change style, you can show or hide weather information. You can also show date above clock, and that's how it actually looks. So when you finish, you can also make this clock bigger by using this simple slider, and you can click done to finish. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.